I actually.
And how much you want to bet that lady has that guy dressed up like a dog?
I don't.
Oh, we can get into
yeah. No, I don't doubt that at all.
That's another
puppy play.
Puppy play. Sorry, I don't know my terms.
I don't know. You're not on kink.com enough. Oh,
Just remember, folks, always be safe when working with fireworks, and don't fucking drop it.
That was like a mortar.
Holy shit. Oh my god, I was not prepared for that.
They may have died.
Somebody for sure got burned.
Holy shit.
Imagine just being in that crowd, you just hear just like, and you're like, what the? You look down, you're like, what the fuck?
That was a way bigger explosion for what I thought was just a basic bottle rocket.
That was pretty crazy.
Well, I mean, they look a lot smaller when they're up in the air.
That's
true. Yeah, they're further away from you.
Yeah, hundreds
Holy
of feet in the air.
Damn, dude.
Can we watch it again? I want to see it again.
We absolutely can watch it again.
I'm going to put a graphic content warning on that, I think.
Dude, I want this on a picture frame on my wall.
You didn't see any red mist. You're good.
Explosion, dude.
Oh, we're horrible people.
Oh, that was so good.
Super funny.
Oh my god.
All right.
Jesus.